Guru, my
Yes.
understanding is clear. We are saying that if you get error and if you don't act on error, what will happen? If you copy and paste the same severity of the job and probability, then you will end up getting all P1, many P1.
No, I'm talking about actually process wise. Okay, if I didn't get to the if my operator didn't act for the alarm, what will be the impact?
If yeah, this is what we need to discuss here. If your
Yeah,
operator
correct.
doesn't act on action,
Mm.
what in the given time, what is the severity? Say
Yeah,
for
what is the
example,
yeah,
yeah,
what is the
say for
severity you mentioned now?
yeah. So that is why I'm saying that if your
Here.
operator doesn't act on low level in the first stage separator, uh, in 5 minutes, what is the consequence? The consequence is your liquid will gas blow by will happen, and it will gas blow by in the downstream. So now question is, do we get gas blow by? So
No.
No,
answer
if gas will be acts, my hips will come into picture. It will trip the plant. Correct.
yes, still the plant. So
Correct. Trip the plant means loss of production, right? For me.
loss of production, yes, correct. So we
Yeah.
will consider the loss of production cost. Loss of
Yeah, you
production
can
cost.
consider loss of production, but
Yes,
not gas blow by,
not gas blow
Yeah.
by.
which is
Yeah,
LOPC. Okay?
yeah,
Yeah.
So instead of LOPC, you will have production
Loss
loss.
of production.
yeah.
Yes.
The loss of
So
production is A.
we cannot say it's high.
Yeah,
Now let's take and see what will be the production loss during this time, during this scenario. So what is
yes,
that? It's not high. It can be medium or whatever. We
yes.
need to see.
So
Okay.
let us take one example.
And in the column when you mentioned, operator takes corrective action. What action he will do? Because he didn't have any time enough time to action now. Correct, no? Operator need
Which
to investigate the column N.
which will you say? Which one you say?
Corrective action and alarm.
Which column, please?
Column N, chairman.
Column
N.
this one.
And
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
corrective action.
So this we are saying that what operator will do if you
Hmm.
get LAL, the operator needs to do the investigation on low water level in the first stage separator and take suitable action.
No,
This is the action he has to do.
this investigation before the trip or after the trip?
No, no,
no,
before the
before.
trip, of course, before the
This
trip.
is when alarm
No,
happens.
no,
Yeah,
When alarm happens, he needs to check.
yeah,
no.
before the
You are
trip.
no. Think. Here, process is telling that I have only 2.6 minutes. Correct? 2.6 minutes.
That's
Correct.
correct.
Yeah. Within 2.6 minutes, how operator can take action? This action.
So no problem, no problem. So then we see
Yeah.
severity. What is severity?
So why,
So
just a second, sorry to just reflect on it. Why you think that he cannot take action in 2.6 seconds?